Alina was known for her good nature and kind heart. She was always there for her friends and family, offering a listening ear or a comforting shoulder. Her capacity to love and care seemed boundless, and she derived great joy from helping others. Elena had a best friend named Mara. They had known each other since childhood and shared countless memories. Elena cherished their friendship deeply, and often went out of her way to make Mara feel special. She would plan surprise outings, remember all of Mara's important dates, and always made time for her, no matter how busy she was. Despite Elena's efforts, Mara often seemed indifferent. She rarely reciprocated the gestures and sometimes didn't even acknowledge them. Elena brushed it off, thinking that Mara must have her reasons. She believed that if she continued to show love and care, Mara would eventually come to appreciate her efforts. As time went on, Mara's indifference grew more apparent. She would cancel plans at the last minute, forget Elena's important events, and often took Elena's kindness for granted. When Elena needed support, Mara was seldom there. Instead, Mara only reached out when she needed something from Elena. Elena's other friends began to notice the one-sided nature of her relationship with Mara. They gently suggested that Elena should focus more on people who truly valued her feelings and efforts. However, Elena was determined to make things work with Mara. She believed that their long history and shared experiences were worth fighting for. One day, Elena planned a special dinner to celebrate Mara's birthday. She spent hours preparing Mara's favorite dishes and decorating her apartment with thoughtful touches. She eagerly awaited Mara's arrival, excited to see her reaction. As the hours passed and Mara didn't show up, Elena's excitement turned to worry and then to disappointment. She called Mara, only to find out that Mara had completely forgotten about the dinner and had made other plans. Heartbroken, Elena realized that no matter how much she cared, Mara didn't value her efforts. It was a painful realization, but it was necessary. That night, Elena decided it was time to let go. She couldn't keep pouring her heart into someone who didn't appreciate it. Elena started focusing on the people who truly valued her, her supportive friends and loving family. She directed her energy toward those who reciprocated her feelings and made her feel appreciated. Gradually, Elena's heart began to heal, and she found joy in the balanced, mutual relationships she cultivated. Months later, Elena bumped into Mara at a local cafe. They exchanged pleasantries, and Mara casually mentioned how she missed their old times together. Elena smiled politely and wished Mara well, but she no longer felt the need to rekindle their friendship. Elena had learned a valuable lesson through her experience. She realized that her feelings and efforts were precious and deserved to be valued by those she cared about. She understood that it wasn't about cutting people off hastily, but recognizing when a relationship was draining rather than enriching her life. Moral: never waste your feelings on people who don't value them. Your love, care, and effort are precious and should be reserved for those who truly appreciate and reciprocate them.